Yes, my dear student, we'll take one more reduction formula. It's the reduction formula of x raised to n into e raised to ax dx. Let us here only n is the variable. A is a constant term. So therefore I have to take in equal to integration of x raised to n e raised to ax dx. It is u into v method because algebraic function first then exponential function. So x raised to n constant integration of e raised to ax minus under integration bracket integration e raised to ax dx into differentiation of that x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1 dx. So e raised to ax integration is e raised to ax divided by a minus again this integration is e raised to ax upon a n x raised to n minus 1 dx. So here n by a is a constant term, take it outside the integration sign. So in equal to x raised to n e raised to ax divided by a minus n by a x raised to n minus 1 e raised to ax. So this is just in minus 1 as I have taken in equal to x raised to n. So n is a variable. So in minus 1. So n. This is the reduction formula of x raised to n e raised to ax. So using this formula we would like to solve these example x square e raised to 3x dx, x cube e raised to 2x dx, x raised to 4 e raised to x, x raised to 4 e raised to 3x dx, x cube e raised to 4x dx. Okay, the first let us take this x square e raised to 3x. X square e raised to 3x. Here n is 2, a is 3. Just substitute in this formula. So x square e raised to 3x upon 3 minus n by a. So 2 by 3 into x raised to n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 e raised to 3x dx. So for this again reduction formula. So minus 2 by 3 constant, take it out or you keep it outside as it is x square e raised to 3x by 3 into bracket for this reduction formula x e raised to 3x upon 3. So here n is 1. So 1 by a. So 1 by 3. 1 x raised to n minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to 0 is 1. E raised to 3x dx. E raised to 3x is e raised to 3x upon 3. And if I simplify this or remove the bracket, minus 2 by 3 into 3 is 9. X e raised to 3x minus into minus plus 2 by 9 e raised to 3x upon 3. Its integration plus c. So this is a simplification of the above step because 9 into 3 is 27. Okay, now let us take the second example x cube e raised to 2x dx. Here n is 3, a is 2. So x raised to n e raised to ax upon a. So a means 2 here minus n by a into n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So x square e raised to 2x dx. So for this again a reduction formula. So x cube e raised to 2x upon 2 minus 3 by 2 x square e raised to 2x upon 2 minus n by a 2 by 2 into n minus 1 2 minus 1 1 e raised to 2x dx. So simplify this. It is x cube e raised to 2x upon 3 minus 2 into 2 is 3 4 3 by 4 x square e raised to 2x minus into minus it is a plus. So 2 into 2 it is a 6. It is 6 because 3 into 2. So divide by 4. Actually so 3 by 4 or here itself you can see that 2 cancels 1 3 by 2 minus into minus plus. So x it is 2 minus 1 is 1 e raised to 2x dx. So just simplify. Again apply reduction formula for this. X e raised to 2x upon 2 1 by 2 because 1 n by a e raised to 2x because 1 minus 1 is 0, x raised to 0 is 1. So this is the answer now. You try the remaining examples. Okay, we'll go to the another reduction formula. I, m, n both are variables. M and n are both variables. X raised to m into log x raised to n. So log is not known. The integration is not known of this log x, whereas x raised to m integration is known, therefore it is a v, it is a u. So log x raised to n into x raised to m dx minus integration x raised to m dx into differentiation of this is n log x raised to n minus 1, and log x differentiation is 1 by x dx. So simplification is log x raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1 minus x raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1 n log x raised to n minus 1 by x. This 1x get cancels and n divided by m plus 1 is common. Take it out. So it is x raised to m because 1x cancels. X raised to m log x raised to n minus 1. So what this m remains same, only the change in the n term. So n becomes n minus 1. Therefore it is I n minus 1. So this is the formula to get this reduction. This is a reduction formula of this integration. So it is IMN means x raised to m log x raised to n is x raised to m plus 1 log x raised to n divided by m plus 1. It means log x raised to n as it is, only x becomes x plus 1 divided by m plus 1 minus it is x raised to m as it is, but log x becomes n minus 1, log x raised to n minus 1. So using this, so we are solving these example using these three formula. It is a formula x raised to m log x raised to n dx is x raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1. X raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1 log x raised to n as it is minus in the second term n divided by m plus 1 log power divided by m plus 1, and this x as it is log x raised to n becomes log x raised to n minus 1, and x raised to m is x raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1 integration log x raised to 0, that becomes 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so let us solve these example. These are the example and under which the first one x square log x raised to 1. So here m is 2, n is 1. Therefore x raised to 3 divided by 3 log x as it is minus n by m plus 1. n is 1 divided by m plus 1. So into this x square as it is, and log power becomes minus 1 means n minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Log x raised to 0 is 1. So this is simply x square x cube divided by 3 integration. This is the final answer. So x square log x cube log x square dx x raised to 4 upon 4 log x square as it is minus 2 divided by 4 x cube as it is 2 minus 1 is 1 log x raised to 1. For this I am applying a reduction formula minus 1 by 2 because 2 1 are 2 2s are minus 1 by 2 x raised to 4 log x upon 4 because 3 becomes 4 by 4 this log x as it is minus 1 by m plus 1 means n divided by m plus 1 log x cube as it is n minus 1 1 minus 1 is 0 log raised to 0 is 1 dx. So this is x raised to 4 upon 4 and this is the final answer. Okay, now we'll go to the next example. X square log x cube, so it is 3 by 3 log x cube as it is minus, so n divided by m plus 1 3 as it is 2 plus 1 is 3 and x square as it is 3 minus 1 is 2. So this simplification is the term is x cube log x cube by 3 minus 3 cancels 1. So for this reduction formula I am applying x cube upon 3 log x square minus 2 divided by 3 log even x square as it is 2 minus 1 is so log x raised to 1. Again apply a reduction formula. Before that remove the bracket minus x cubed log x square by 3, minus into minus plus 2 by 3. Now put the bracket to apply a reduction formula. X cubed log x upon 3 minus 1, because log power is 1, 1 by 3. X square log raised to 0 is 1. So this is how we are integrating. X square is x cubed by 3. So just to simplify these terms, you get it. So the fourth one, x raised to 4 log x cube. X raised to 5 upon 5 log x cube as it is, minus 3 by 5 x raised to 4, and 3 becomes 2. And 3 by 5 for this reduction formula, 5 upon x raised to 5 upon 5 log x square minus 2 by 5 x raised to 4 log x raised to 1, because 2 minus 1. Again u into, reduction formula. X raised to 5 upon 5 log x as it is, minus 1 by 5 x raised to 4, 1. So rest of the simplification is there, because 3 by 5 into 5 is 3 by 25, minus into minus plus 3 into 2 is 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 5 25. So this is how I am simplifying. Again you remove the bracket. 6 by 25 into 5 is 125, 1 by 5 into 6 25, 6 by 125. So this is again 125 into 5 is 625. So last one you try. So let me stop now. We'll continue in the next class.